Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where pressing the escape key opens the start menu, then please watch this video. So the thing is that if you press the escape key along with control, it will open the start menu. So check if the start key is, the control key is stuck on your system. If it is, then you will have to troubleshoot it accordingly. You will have to make sure that it's not stuck. Once this is sorted, the next solution will be to update the keyboard drivers. Search for device manager and open the device manager, and then expand the list of keyboards and update the keyboard drivers. Okay, so this is what you can do. And then you can update Windows. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to Windows Update and check for updates. And one more thing that you can try is go to accessibility, scroll down to keyboard, go to keyboard and turn all these three switches off of filter keys, sticky keys and toggle keys. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice